Assalamu alaikum viewers. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. Welcome to my channel S Law Learning. Government of the Punjab Service and General Administration Department, Section Service 1 Lahore, 13 September 2025. Latest notification going to update all of you, and it's about transfer or some of the government officer. Mr. Muhammad Athar Masood, 20 Scare Officer, Executive Director, Punjab Council of Art, is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and directed report to Service General Administration Department, Government of the Punjab for further orders. Mr. Ghulam Sagir Shahid, Director General Public Relations, Punjab, is hereby transferred with the immediate effect and posted as Executive Director, Punjab Council of Art. Vice Mr. Muhammad Athar, 20 Scare Officer, transferred. Syed Tahir Raza Hamdani, Secretary to Government of the Punjab Information and Culture Department, is hereby assigned the additional charge of the post Director General Public Relations, Punjab, in addition to his own duties to till further orders. By order of the Governor of the Punjab, Zahid Akhtar Ramzan, Chief Secretary.